Hello Macaulay. Welcome to our channel. Today nama Honda Amaze Auto Review Pakalam. First engine and transmission Pathe Pakalam. Engine type Pathingana IVTEC petrol engine. Engine displacement 1199 cubic centimeters. Fuel type petrol. Max power output Pathingana around 88.76 bhp at 6000 rpm. Max torque 110 Nm at 4800 rpm. Emission norm Pathingana BS6. Number of cylinders 4. Transmission Pathingana manual and automatic Kuda Thurakanga. Gearbox 5. Speed. Drive type FWD paddle shift not available in Amaze. Curb weight 905 kilograms. Next performance and fuel economy Pathe Pakalam. Mileage, array, 18.6 kmpl 0 to 100 kmph 15 seconds. Next brakes, steering, suspension and tires Pathe Pakalam. Suspension front McPherson strut coil spring. Suspension rear torsion beam coil spring. Brakes front disc. Brakes rear drum. Steering type electric. Minimum. Turning radius 4.7. Tire size 175/65 R14. Wheel size R14. Tire type Pathingana tubeless radial. Next interior dimensions Pathe Pakalam. Seating capacity 5. Doors 4. Boot space 420 liters. Fuel capacity 35 liters. Next variants and price tag Pathe Pakalam. E-petrol variant Pathingana around 6.22 rupees lakh. S petrol variant Pathingana around 7 rupees lakh. Special edition variant Pathingana around 7.12 rupees lakh. V petrol variant Pathingana around 7.60 rupees lakh. Exclusive edition petrol variant Pathingana around 8.01 rupees lakh. VX petrol variant Pathingana around 8.08 rupees lakh. Next walk around view Pakalam. Next interior view Pakalam. This is Vinu Chakravarti signing off. Thank you. Save trees, save motoring.